again. We're climbing in the cab. I'll try and figure out how to post some photos I took in here, because I got one of me trying to pull the Johnson bar because it doesn't move at all. It's just stuck there and forwards. And then it's missing a throttle, which the throttle is probably the most important control in here, other than the injector. But if there was no throttle in here, the steam engine would be no use. I can't believe a steam engine this small has a dynamo. I mean, it's got to be smaller than 504 at Silver Dollar City, even though the gauge is wider. Here, it's got a headlight. Don't know why they have number 6 not on there. It's a pretty small pipe that leads into the cylinder. Running board, piston, the rods, the wheels. Here's the tender. They made it say Fennimore Railroad Historical Society. Now, one thing you'll notice about this one, now it's the smallest, probably one of the smallest I've ever seen. Now, I think I got a picture of one inside the museum that actually has, that's probably the biggest, smallest engine I've probably seen. I mean, there's a live steamer on display at the Roanoke Valley, and that one is actually smaller than the one inside the museum, and which is quite insane because the one inside the museum is a 440. Now I'm here inside the engineer's seat, except there is no engineer's seat, so that keeps the... Oh, I'm sorry, this is the fireman's seat. Wait, this keeps the fireman pretty busy. Yeah, he has no seat at all. This one probably used to burn coal. They were working hard each day because this one doesn't even have a stoker. And there's the water tank. And a huge water tower. It towers over this locomotive. But here's one thing. The Frisco 4524 in Springfield, Missouri. That thing's huge. So they gotta be able to fit that one. Here's some of the minimum gauge hopper cars. I noticed something about these couplers. They're actually strange couplers. This thing's not gonna move. This isn't gonna move. I think that this is for display only. A shed. A nice little water tower. An engine shed. I wonder if we can see the engines in there, if there's like a crack. There's only one engine, but there's actually a few cars. No, we're not able to see it in there. Also, here's something about Concaster Railroad Adventures. I'm gonna try and get that out soon. The first episode will be quite an adventure. I'll try and base it. The routes I'll be using will be an added Wattle Valley and Cara Bay, and then there's Summer Lake Valley. I'm gonna try and use that route too. It's all in trains. I have to go now, so